Hello everyone, welcome back to Amplify Lab, and this is again another tutorial, and we're going to show you how to do the editing for your blog. So this is going to be really important for you guys. Also, if you are new to this channel and have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel and let me know your valuable feedback. If you have question, go ahead in our Facebook group, Development with Amplify Lab, and you can post your question. We will try to help you as much as we can. Okay. Thank you. So here I have done a few changes and I saw there is a bug, and if we want to go, this is our Facebook group. So if we want to do something like edit a blog, then let's say we are passing the ID. So in order to be able to access these things, we have to add this at the end of the slug, any route. So I have edited and I already pushed the code, so you can get that get that from there. And now let's go ahead and we have the edit option in our blog page, and we have the edit blog page, and then we're passing the ID. Now let's create the edit blog page actually. So edit page blog page will be same as this one, create blog. So let's go ahead and duplicate this one, edit blog.view. Perfect. Now we have to create a router. So the router will be exactly same with edit blocks and right after the blog, what we can do is we can say the path will be edit block and the ID, and component edit blocks, and the name is also the edit blocks. Okay, now let's go ahead and in our created hook we can do the console so that we can see the ID. Okay, so this dot router, let's check it out first if we can get the router here. Okay, value expected code string. I'm not sure where I'm getting this error. Edit text. Okay, let's refresh it. Go to the blog page, and then visit edit blocks. So here we go. We have come here, and the data has not been loaded yet. So that was an error. So let's solve it. Why the data was not loaded? And if we see the API, then it says app get tags and edit block has been appended. So these things has been added in our request. So what we have to do is we have to add a slash, and then we can get this information correct. Refresh this page. Okay, it seems my Chrome has stopped. Perfect. Now let's go to the edit block. Now all good. We should get the data here, and the error should gone. And view router, and here we should have something, not route, let's say view route, and see what we get. Exactly, so this is what we want to get, and we have params and then we have ID. So params.id, perfect. We have ID 77. Okay, so what we can do is that now few things can happen, right? So let's check it out. If someone tries to visit this way, okay, we don't have params right now. Do we have any params? Nope, we don't have any params. So first of all, instead of params, let's console this too, and let's say we want to redirect user. If we don't have any params here, params is this, so that's fine. And actually we could have a page that will send you to the 404 page, and I think that route is called this one, not found. Let's say we have a not found page, and new file, not found.view, and here we can say if, and we can take some container information from here. That's perfect. We can close all the divs, and the code is already formatted, I think, and that's perfect. H1, no raw font. I don't know what to show, but that's perfect for now. Perfect. You see, if we write something and if we don't have the blocks or component or path is defined, we will be redirecting here. Perfect. Now edit block, let's say we have 12. We have this information now. Perfect. Now this is solved now. Now here, not this page, edit block. Let's parse these things into an integer so that it is not messed it up. I think you can do it. So you can do constant id equal, and we can do this way, first int, and if it is smaller than 1, we can say return, or we can simply this dot router dot push to not not found page, and if id, okay, that's perfect now. So what I was trying to say, if you pass something here, first of all, let's do the console.log id, and we can simply return. Okay. I think my condition is not okay. I'm getting none. Okay, sorry. I thought I would get 0, but I will not. So we can say if not id, then not found page. We can send it to here. Perfect. So that's nice. We cannot go ahead without a real ID. So edit log, and let's go here. Now we should be able to come here. Perfect. So we are retrieving all the text, all the categories as well from here. Now this video might get a little bit longer. We have to call the another route, which is all the block, and we can call it block single, and then we can pass the ID here. So pass the ID is simply just like this. ID here, and we come inside here, get single block item, public function with request, and then what I can do is I can simply return this one, but I will add a while condition here where ID is request dot ID, and I can get the first item. Perfect, right? add block single. So okay, I have not passed this ID here, so I can get the ID directly just like this and also pass the ID here, not in the request, so that can also be done. Perfect. So we get the data now, we get all this information. Perfect, right? Now what we have to do is, as you can see, we can redirect again if we don't have an ID. Perfect, right? So what I can do is, if I can say the first one is the block, so I can say block. If not block, then I can say I don't have to write it here. I can simply return here, or I don't even have to write this. I can simply write in one line, return. If not block, return not found page. And not found page can be named anything that will not exist anyway. So let's do these things, and hopefully we won't have any error. And it has to be if not block.data actually. So we have a block. Now if we add another ID, we will not have a block, so we should be redirected. Perfect, we are redirected. Nice, cool. Let's come here. Perfect. Now we have category and text. It should be auto-populated right at the top. So how do you do that? So first of all, let's first thing first. This dot block equal to block.data. Nice. And now here we can write a method using which we will be or simply just write it. Let t of get.data, and we can say that here we will have a category ID. We can say okay, data.category ID. So that's good. We can this dot data dot tag ID. Since it's an array, we can push t dot ID, and same thing goes for the sorry, it says cat, so C. We can say check.data, and here we can see C category ID. Perfect. Now these two should be auto-populated now as soon as you visit this page. Perfect. You see, I have all this information now auto-populated. Now go to the blog page. Am I having an error? Okay. Oh, okay. It's because we don't have any. We have to go to the main app. We have a small error here, and two, we have to use this slash in order to navigate. So go to the blog, edit. Since we have this one, we have to add a slash. Now it's working. So if you do not understand why it's working now, just because of this slash, so if you take something just like this, and if we just do without a slash, that means it will take this original domain and the rest of the URL. Okay, so your URL will be, if you redirect to, let's say to home page, so it will do like this. Okay, so it will take all the rest of the things and then home. But if you use slash, that means you are not considering any of this information but just the domain. So it will, what it will do is it will delete this and it will take you to the next one. Okay, so that's why it was working now. So here you see, if I click on blocks, it will take me to the blog page and it will ignore all this extra information. Okay, that's cool. Now let's move on to the important parts. Okay, we don't need these things anymore now. We need to uh, put this information, the init data. Okay, so init data is there. So what I have to do is that I have the blog information, which is JSON data. So what I have to do is this this dot init data equal to JSON dot parse, and then this dot log dot JSON data. Perfect, right? Okay, I'm not sure what is this error. It should work now. Here we go. We have this block informations. This dot editor.destroy is not a function. I'm not sure why this is not working. For some reason this is not defined. I didn't face this kind of error before, so I think I have to push this video up to this part, but we can do it in the next video. But let's go ahead and complete the rest of this information. Okay, so how do we do these things now? We can do like this. Let me check something. Okay, we can say this dot data equal to this dot blog. Should be perfect now. And here we can say blog.json data instead of this dot blog. Okay, nice, cool. Where am I getting this? I don't know. Okay, so we're getting blog dot data dot json data, and same thing goes for blog dot data dot json data. Should be good now. Perfect, we got this one now. We got this, we got that. And What else problem we are getting? Cannot read push of undefined. Okay, so we can do it at the end here. This dot, oh no, this dot block dot data, can put it here maybe. Okay, data is undefined. Console.log block.data. Here we go, we have the block data here. So what is the problem now? Cannot set property data of undefined, where we are getting exactly this error. If you click on this, this.block.data, I'm not sure if this is the one that's, oh no, sorry, I'm really sorry, it's stupid. It's just data. This.data dot equal block.data, and here block data JSON data, that's perfect. And here you can say JSON.plus. Okay, I mean we have something. Okay. Let's go ahead and check it now. I will set it manually instead. Cannot read property title of undefined. Now what is the thing we're discussing? Model. Okay, we are getting this error. Data. So am I overriding any data here? Oh yes, I'm overriding here. This dot block data. It should work now. I just messed it up a little bit. Okay, now it says data. Oh, this is pure shit. Okay, this block is this one. Okay, we don't have any block at the data property. You understand now? I'm really sorry, these things happen sometime. Okay, so now we have a problem here. So to avoid this problem, I think we can, or we have to set it all manually. But never mind, let's do these things manually. Block data.title, and what do we have? Title, we have JSON data, meta description. I could have done that way, but wanted to save some time, and that was wrong. Okay, I don't have anything else to do. Perfect, I have this information, this one, and I don't have the blog information, unfortunately. Thank you guys for watching, and in my next tutorial I will fix this init data problem. Okay, have a nice time.